So hello guys, myself Ishwar. So today I'll be introducing you all to the platform HackerRank. And I'm assuming that you are a very beginner in coding in the world of coding. So just get into HackerRank. So this is the front page of HackerRank. Here you can practice your various skills like problem solving. Uh, any if you want to learn any programming language like C++, uh, C, Python, or B, etc. And you can if you are preparing for a company, you can prepare from this interview preparation kit as well. And if you are a very new to programming, then you can take this the 30 days of code challenge if you want. And if you want to learn JavaScript, then you can start this tutorial and start practicing JavaScript. Okay, so if you get enough experience in any particular programming language or any framework framework, then you can get certified from the certification portion. So I have got certified in Java. So let me show you my certificate. Why is it not coming? Yeah. So this is how it looks like, and you can check your profile from here. So in this portion, you will be able to see all of your verified skills. Here, you will be able to see all of the badges you have earned, and here you can add your work experience like internships or part-time job if you have done anywhere. Here, you have to add your education till the date. This portion shows your submissions in particular month. So here in September and October, I have submitted most of the questions, and here it shows uh, when you have submitted a particular question. Uh, this portion shows in which context you had participated and which rank you have got. Till now, I have not participated uh, any of the context. I had just enrolled. That's why it's not showing my rank. And this portion shows all the discussion you did at the when you got stuck in at a particular question. And if you want to compete in a particular contest, then you can refer this portion and sign up and start solving the questions. And if you want to apply for a particular job, then this section is for you. So yeah, what's your name? Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much.